Pet digging got your lawn looking like a patchwork quilt? Here's how to fix those holes and get your grass back in shape. No rocket science required. First, grab some quality topsoil and gently fill in those craters your furry little landscaper left behind. Don't overpack it or the grass won't grow right. Next, toss some good cool season grass seed right over the new soil and kinda mix it in with your fingers so it isn't just sitting on top like sprinkles on a cupcake. Give it a light pat down so the seeds make solid contact with the dirt but aren't buried too deep. Water those patch spots every day, but don't drown them. Think damp, not soggy, so the seeds can sprout instead of rot. If your pet keeps targeting the same spots, maybe lay down a temporary barrier or some chicken wire till the grass gets going. You can also put out some pet toys or a digging box in another part of the yard to distract them from their favorite holes. A little fertilizer after a couple weeks helps, but don't go wild. Less is more when the grass is new. Keep mowing around those spots till the grass is at least 3 inches tall, then you can treat it like the rest of your yard. One of the top mistakes with repairing pet-damaged lawns is using cheap or leftover soil that doesn't drain well, which leads to muddy patches and weak grass. Use high-quality topsoil for best results. Another common issue is skipping the seed or not choosing the right type for your yard's sun or shade. Always pick a hardy grass seed that matches your lawn's needs and sprinkle extra on heavy traffic zones. The third big goof is not protecting new grass while it grows. Pets and foot traffic can wipe out your hard work, so put up a little barrier or use pet-safe deterrents until the area fills in strong. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted, local contractors for everything from lawn repair to big renovations, making it easy to find someone reliable for any project. Contractors can also join BigHomeProjects.com to get more job opportunities and reach homeowners who actually need their skills, so everyone wins.